But there are two of you, and you know who you are, that pissed me off. The next time I see you guys will be at judging. And this will definitely affect that.
Ooh.
I'm really fine with it.
But you're not fine with it because you question the hairdresser, you question me. That's not cool. It is excruciating.
She's shaking. Oh my God. What are you guys doing to this poor girl's hair? What is this? Tyra confronts two models she says pissed her off during makeovers on cycle 4 of America's Next Top Model. What did they do, and was it that bad? Let's take a look, shall we?
So, ladies, so I know you got the Tyra mail. Who's gonna get cut? Where are we today?
Okay. So far, so good.
We're gonna give you a very Peter Pan inspired haircut. Michelle, we think that
Did you just say Peter Pan? Okay, I mean she could have been the pirate with one eyeball and no leg. For America's Next Top Model standards, that's pretty good. That's respectable.
Michelle, we think that you have a very ethereal look, so we're gonna make you ice blonde, girl. Noelle, we're gonna blow you out, girl, and make you fierce. Tatiana, we're gonna darken you and make you very rich, a la Paulina Poroskova. Tiffany, you got a big-ass, crazy personality that can handle hair all the way down to Kaylin,
I believe that.
hair weave, very blunt, a la Carmen Cass. Brittany, we're gonna have to take you a little bit shorter, make that bang very heavy and very oomph. Christina, we think that you have a face like the girls on the cover of Vogue right now, so we want to make you like those hot girls of the moment. Deeper, darker, fuller hair. Rebecca, we want to edge you out. Thick and long and luscious. Rita, you're gonna get these little tight little waves like a Princess Bride. UV, UV reminds me of a new type of Shelley Duvall. So we're gonna make your hair red. Yes.
Red, okay.
You're gonna get an old kind of Vidal Sassoon inspired asymmetrical bang. Naima, we're gonna make you honey blonde, girl. Miss Brandy, we have thought about you and we decided, girl, that you are fierce.
What's the haircut?
And we ain't doing nothing to you.
Oh, okay.
When she told me I was gonna keep the afro, I'm pissed off. I was just like, why? Because I wanted a drastic change so bad.
Oh my God, this is the first time someone's upset that they're not doing anything to their hair. She is the only one who should be celebrating right now. I mean, has she seen the past seasons? Did she see the last season of the show, the Makeovers? Because I would go back and watch that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna find out if blondes have more fun.
Exactly. Never blondes? Now I have an excuse to be stupid.
Hey! all the blondes watching this.
I'm sorry. Y'all hurting my feelings right now.
Your feelings are being hurt?
Yes, because they're all over it. So we're gonna get a new look. I'm sorry, I'm not getting a new look.
We were having issues in the beginning for Brandy about her hair.
Do you feel the dreads up in there?
It is? Oh, yes.
Yes, they can't come with that. I'm gonna need them to cut it out. I'm sorry.
Randy, I'm gonna have to take this off, Precious. We're gonna make you really, really short, but really bright still.
So I can't tease you no more, okay? Because this is coming off. I'm very happy.
Oh my God. I kind of love that. She's like, no, you need to inspect this and it's coming off. Now she's giving them her makeover. She's like, this is what you're gonna do for me. And then Tyra comes in and she's like, you know what? I think we do need to do a little. And she's like, absolutely. Okay, now get that guy who owns the salon to come over here. Get this fixed. Okay, and that's how you get it done. That's how you get it done. They weren't gonna give her a makeover, and now they are. And now she really can't complain because they could be very evil at this point. They could be like, you know what? Let's give her the Peter Pan special. I mean, she might like that. I don't know.
I'm very happy about the change or whatever because I did not want to keep this afro.
So are they cutting her?
Yes.
Then now? Finally, she was so cranky at first.
Just do me good. Just do me good.
I love her.
This is the first time ever been blonde?
Yeah,
Ever. A virgin. I love this.
I'm getting my first official weave with long extensions. Feels like the Rubik I wear. but it better be beautiful.
It's gonna be right here. Yeah. And it's gonna be a shot that's gonna be topless shot, but you're showing her breast.
Oh. What?
I am a little comfortable being naked. I knew somewhere.
And now we're okay. And now it's just now we went from this cutting the hair to the salon to topless photo shoot. Did they even have time to think about what's happening? I don't know because I didn't have time. It's a little sudden. Why this needed to be topless? Okay, all right. Okay.
I knew somewhere within this competition there was going to be a topless or something. I just wasn't expecting it to be so soon.
They don't waste any
It's
time.
very healthy.
They made my hair darker. I really like it.
Yeah, I love her
I think I did
in
a
this
great
hair.
job in the photo shoot. I feel very confident.
She looks gorgeous.
I definitely like the darkness and the richness to my hair. It's more sexy, it's more playful, so I definitely like it a lot.
She looks great.
I'm actually really happy that they decided not to do a crazy makeover on me. I've had makeovers in the past. I always come back to this look.
I think,
and this is
I
what
mean,
works for
she
me.
looks good in both.
I have had a sewn-in weave before, but this time I'm sitting here for much longer. The blood is all rushing to the spots where she's braiding. I just taking it like a pro, I think.
Okay.
I love Kenya. I should ask her about this.
Bald head
Did she just scoot up her chair to have this conversation? I love her so. I love this so much. She's like, okay, let me just explain to you real quick. She's scooting her chair up. This girl, I swear to God.
What's wrong? I'm bald headed again.
I think you still look sexy. I'm sorry.
Didn't you ask them to give you a makeover? What did you think they were gonna do? She showed them what to get rid of. She's like, actually, that needs to go, and you need to cut this section right here. You're the one who gave the instruction. I just want to know what the thought process was now. She's like, I kind of got what I asked for, and this is not what I wanted.
I'm going bone straight for the next photo shoot. But you still have something to work with.
My makeover is very funky and it's very edgy, so I feel like it definitely shows a different side to me that I really enjoy.
I like the before better.
like all over.
Okay, listen. What are you guys doing to this poor girl's hair? What is this? And I don't know why they went from brown, because sometimes you can't, right? You can't go from brown to blonde like in one go, right? Is this correct? Is this right? Are they done with it? If you are a hairstylist, please chime in.
I don't know, it's like all over.
They warned me before that it was gonna hurt and everything, but it was vicious.
Harper?
No. It's still burnt.
Oh my God.
Michelle, as she's feeling the pain of being a bleached blonde, it is excruciating.
She's shaking. Oh my God.
I don't know the word, but she just don't complain. She won't complain, and I love that about her. And that's beautiful.
I would complain.
I love it. Oh my God, this guy's a magician.
Wait, I just have to ask, is that normal for her to have that type of reaction to bleaching her head? Like, I believe 100% she's in pain and she's probably miserable. Does that happen every time? Like, because I've never bleached my hair, so I don't know. So leave it in the comments if you're a hairstylist. Is this a normal reaction? Should they even be doing this if she's having that reaction? That seems a little intense to me.
Oh my God, this guy's a magician.
You're the hottest Peter Pan I've ever seen.
I think I love the skin.
Wow, she looks
I
great.
love the cut. I love the color. I love the makeup. I love it all.
Yeah,
I
she
feel like
pulls
it's
it
a
off
model.
very well.
It's gonna look so dope. I like it. I would have probably chosen a really, really light color or a really, really dark color, but this spot in between is perfect. I love it.
I like her better with dark hair.
It looked exactly the same my entire life.
Jeez, babe.
I just feel like a completely new person. I love it. Put me in a
Wow.
time capsule. I'll keep this forever.
I mean, I like her both in both.
They put me through hell.
Wow.
I mean, I'm loving it now.
Okay, wow. I like how I'm squinting. I'm like, I really want to see the color. I mean, it looks great, but it looks like it looks dry, but it looks good, but dehydrated a little. But I'm not a hairstylist, so I don't know. Too yellow? I don't know. I kind of just liked her better as as a brunette. I think that suited her more.
They put me through hell.
It looks
but,
good there.
I mean,
there
I
it looks
now.
a little yellow.
My hair is gonna change me for the better because I'm feeling more confident. I
Did
think
they did they show a blurry photo? They're like, it's not in focus. It doesn't matter that it's not in focus. It doesn't matter. Okay. Well, okay, you know what? No, I guess, no, it does look, the blonde does look good on her. It suits her. Why are we doing this topless, though? We're going from the chair to nothing up there.
I cut it very asymmetrical, like everybody else has to me. If we can keep it very, very blunt.
I didn't know it was gonna be so blunt of a cut. It kind of crushed me.
I mean, I have no choice to do what you say.
But it's not what I want to do. I mean, this is something that both Jay, myself,
Tyra.
and Tyra sat down and talked about. We can get Tyra on the phone if you want to talk to her about it.
No, I'm fine with it.
We can get Tyra on the
But you're
phone.
not fine with it because you question the hairdresser, you question me. That's not cool.
I love my new makeover.
Wait, oh my goodness. Okay. I need to get Kenya on the phone right now. What was that whole interaction? So Kenya is asking Mr. J. Okay, so let me just watch that back.
We can get Tyra on the phone if you want to talk to her about it.
No, I'm fine with it. I'm really fine with it.
But you're not fine with it because you question the hairdresser, you question me. That's not cool.
Okay, so it seems like Kenya was asking questions about the cup, maybe wasn't very happy with it, brought it up to Mr. J, and then he's like, you want to talk to Tyra about it? Should we get her on the phone? AKA, do you want to be eliminated? Do you want to be in the bottom too? Because that's where this is heading. We know that they are not happy when the girls question anything. You just have to do what they want. And if you are difficult in any way, you're going to get cut. As soon as he mentioned Tyra, that's when you know, abort mission.
I love my new makeover.
Seduction.
Oh,
seduction.
she looks so
My
cute.
makeup is a lot different than what I'm used to.
I just got my makeover and
I'm hot.
hello.
Love
Major
her.
bang power. Love it.
She looks so good.
Rag, rap.
I'm so excited. I have a new, totally different look that I would have never thought of. I'm so happy. Miss J decided to give my baby a makeover, and this
Stop. I
is a
love
guy, but he looks cute.
I hope these eyebrows come out right. I had to get my makeup done. For
I
the
love
photo shoot,
Brandy is
but the
hilarious.
eyebrows are black. That's not gonna match. How am I gonna go back to my boyfriend?
She's like, that's not going to match.
Woo! Whoa!
Brandy, your attitude is just ridiculous.
I'm sorry. I don't care who don't like me no more. But I can't see my eyebrows.
Miss Brandy, her attitude just pissed me off. Unfortunately, it's like you, Kenya's got something going on with her hair. I don't know what's going on there. And it's like, I'm getting frustrated now. You know, I'm reaching a point where, child, here, talk to Jake.
What's the problem?
No problem.
Is it with you?
Ooh. I don't know if he's acting, but it looked like he was genuinely annoyed. He's like, look, I'm done dealing with you guys. Brandy is hilarious. She's like, I can't see my eyebrows. You can clearly see her eyebrows. Remember, Brandy, they weren't going to do anything for Brandy in the beginning. They were going to keep her as is. She was the one that went out of her way. She's like, actually, I need a trim and I need my eyebrows plucked, whatever. Like, she's the one that volunteered herself as tribute. Like, if this were the Hunger Games, she would be the first one to be like, hey, like, I'm up. I know that you guys already picked everything, but actually, I want to go too. Is there room for me?
Kenya's got something going on with her hair. I don't know what's going on there.
Kenya's
And
like,
it's I'm getting frustrated. You know, I'm reaching a point where, child, here, talk to Jake.
What's the problem?
No problem.
Is it with you?
Is it with you?
I told you.
I really can't believe it. Like,
Today, the drama was so not intended. I'm not the type of person to ever complain.
so stupid. So stupid.
I am in love with this hairstyle. It's gorgeous. I always
Yeah,
thought
she
of
looks
having
amazing.
A hairstyle to make my face, my structure stand out so much. Hey,
No.
I want everybody to come over here.
Where's Brandy?
It's about
Hide Brandy? Brandy, you need to hide immediately. Go get under a table, something. You know, Mr. J called Tyra like, you need to get back here. You need to come yell at some people. And she's like, I'm in the middle of lunch right now.
I want everybody to come over here. Part of being a top model is about accepting change, about being a blank palette. I have the top people in the industry here that have molded and shaped my career. And I want to commend 12 of you for being open. But there are 2 of you, and you know who you are, that pissed me off. The next time I see you guys will be at judging. And this will definitely affect that.
Ooh.
So I'll see you guys at judging.
Wait, but Kenya ended up liking her haircut though, and she did it. I've never heard Tyra say that somebody pissed her off. Listen, I'm the first one to defend the girls, okay? You guys know that with the models. But Brandy did a little too much. Kenya ended up doing the makeover. She just, I don't know what question she asked, but I guess it made people angry that she was asking questions about the haircut. But for Brandy, like Brandy wasn't supposed to get anything done at all. Like again, Brandy volunteered herself for this. So I think if Tyra's mad at anyone, truly, it's probably Brandy. I think Kenya was just caught in the crosshairs. Maybe she asked Mr. J like, "Oh, how's the weather?" And he's like, "God damn it. Who told you to ask me questions?"
Who do you think you are to ask Mr. J questions? You want to ask him what time it is? That's why we have clocks.
Tomorrow you'll meet with the judges. Only 13 of you will continue on in hopes of becoming America's Next Top Model. One of you will be eliminated. I think it's gonna come down to Brandy and I, and they're gonna make a cut out of us too.
Really need a
Even she
miracle
knows.
right now because I do not want to get eliminated. You need to change your attitude because your attitude stinks. You gotta lose that anger, baby.
For those curious, this is the bottom 2 for elimination.
Will Brita and Brandy please step forward?
Brandy ends up in the bottom
I
2.
only have one photo in my hands. You're standing there, high fashion and edgy. All the potential in the world. But your attitude isn't something that judges want to be around. A lot of these judges behind me don't want to see you either.
Damn.
But some of them do. Brandy, congratulations.
The fact that she's like, some of the judges don't want to see you, but you get to stay. Here you go. And go get your eyebrows bleached part 2. She willingly became bald for this show.